Good morning students, welcome to the maths class. Today we are going to discuss in Unit 5 like and unlike decimals. Before starting these, let's have some example of decimal numbers. Decimal numbers 36.2 in which whole number part is 36 and decimal part is 2 as we have already discussed in worksheet 2. In 4.85, this is the whole number part, means the numbers which are before decimal is called whole number part, and the numbers which are after decimal is decimal part of the number. In the same way in this. Now these decimal part, these digits are called decimal places. Okay, digits in the decimal part are called decimal places. And the numbers in which the same number of decimal places are same, the decimal numbers in which the number of decimal places are same, as the number of digits after decimal are 2, here also 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. So all these decimals are called like decimals. Okay, when the number of digits after decimal, after point is same, either it may be 2, in all the numbers it should be 2. If it is 1, in all the numbers it should be 1. If it is 3, in all the numbers it should be 3. So these decimals are called like decimals. But on the other hand, if the number of digits after decimal are different, for example in this first set of numbers 0.1, there is 1 digit after point, there are 2 digits after point, and there are 3 digits after point. So these are called unlike decimals. Okay, these are called unlike decimals. Same as in this 0.8 means 1 digit, 81 2 digits, 008 3 digits. Okay, so these are like and unlike decimals. Now let us start worksheet 5 of the chapter, which is at page number 87, that encircle the pairs of like decimal. We have just given some pair of decimal, we have to encircle the pair of like. We have just discussed what are like decimals, when the number of digits after decimal are same. Here the number of digit is 1, here number of digits are 2. So these are not like, means unlike decimals. In this way there are 2, there are 3, not same. There is 1, there is 1. Yes, in this part when the number of digits is same, so this is a pair of like decimal. You will encircle this. In the same way in D part we have 3 and 3, same number of digits. We will not check the digits which are before decimal, we will just check the number of digits after decimal. This is not a pair of like, this is a pair of like decimal. In first question we have to just find out the pair of like decimals. So these 3 are also not like decimals. This completes question number 1. Let's move to question number 2 of worksheet 5. What is it? Convert into a group of like decimals. We have given some decimal numbers. These are unlike, but we have to convert them in a group of like. Now how can we convert? It's so easy. Beta, here there is 1 digit after decimal. There are 3 digits, 2 digits and 2 digits. Out of all the numbers, we have to check that which number has maximum number of decimal places. Which has maximum? This, as this has 3 digits after decimal. So we will make in all the number there should be 3 digits. Okay, in 1.8 there is 1 digit. In order to make it 3 digit, add 2 zeros at the end. Okay, beta, as in whole numbers we can write 0 to its left. In the same way after decimal we can add so many zeros to the right. Its values will not be changed. Okay, the number is similar to 1.1. In the same way, here we need to get the same number of digits after decimal, so it will be 1.800. 31.629, it's already with 3 digits. 17.26, it is with 2 digits, so add 1 0. 5.01, with 2 digits it is, add 1 0. So this is a group of like decimals. Let's discuss one more part. It's C part. Here we have 3 digits, 1 1 2, so all should be with 3 digits. First is already with 3 digits. In second number 201.3, add 2 zeros. 9.1, add 2 zeros. 16.65, add 1 0. Okay, in the same way F part, 2 digits, 3 digits, 2 digits, 1 digit. So it is not compulsory that there should be maximum number of 3 digits. There may be 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 also. Okay, but we need to just check the maximum digit. So we will add 1 0 here. 68.095 is already with 3 digits. 8.090, 71.100. This completes F part. Remaining parts of the question will you do on your own. This completes our worksheet 5. Worksheet 5. Let's discuss ordering of decimal numbers. Means how to compare two decimal numbers. So let's see some examples. For example, we want to compare 43.8 with 3.89. First of all, we compare the whole number part as 43 and 3. Which one is greater? 43. So this one is bigger. But in case 81, both whole number parts are same, then what will we compare? The digit after decimal, means the 10th place digit. Here it is 8, here it is 7. So this one is bigger. But if whole is same, 10th place is same, then compare in this part we compare the whole, but if whole is same, compare the 10th place digit. If 10th is also same, then compare the 100th place digit. Which is bigger? This. But if like in this 100th place is also same, then compare the 1000th place. Okay, this is the method to compare decimal numbers. Here we have some questions for worksheet 6, which is at page number 88 of our book. Compare the following pairs of decimal numbers. As in first part, 0.37, 0.47. 0 whole number is same, 3 and 4. So which one is bigger? 4. Okay, here 0.9 and 0.10. C part of the question is this. 0 is same. After decimal it's 9. It's 1. So which is bigger? This. Okay beta. This is the reason. In general, if we see that this is 9, this is 10, then someone can easily say that 10 is greater. But no, we have just discussed in like decimal that if there is 0 at the end after decimal, then its value is nothing. Okay, so this is bigger. In the same way here, 126.6, it's same. Then compare the next digit, 0. Here the 100th digit is given, here it is not given. So firstly we will convert it into like decimal by adding 1 0. This is also same, so these are equal. Let's see in this part. Here 8 and 8 is same. 1 and 0, which is greater? This one is greater. You can do one thing, that before comparing just convert into like decimals, then compare 810, 801. Which is greater? This is greater. Okay, as in this 1 2 3 digits are here. 1 3, add 1 0, then compare. Which is greater? Yes, this one. In this part also, if we add one more 0, then both these are equal. The remaining parts of the question will you do on your own. Now your homework is complete and revise worksheet 5 and question number 1 of worksheet 6 of unit 5. Remaining questions of worksheet 6 we will discuss in next lecture. Thank you.